Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing. Today I want to do a quick video on a DIY fix for Bluetooth steering wheel controls on a BMW. I believe this will hold true for a lot of X series, 3, 4, 5 series, depending on if you have on the right hand side steering wheel controls to skip the songs and so forth. So let's get in the car. I'll show you what's going on and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so officially we're inside the car. I have the car running, Bluetooth connected, but before I get started, I just want to shoot out a very quick message. I promise I won't take long, won't try to preach you guys. With everything that's going around, 3 things I do want to mention. If somebody tells you to stay home, it's not just your safety. We got to worry about people around us. Think about all the healthcare providers, doctors, nurses, physicians, PA staff, registration staff. When we get sick, what happens? We go to the healthcare. We go to the hospitals, clinics, and so forth. If they ended up getting sick, who's going to take care of us? So stay home. If somebody tells you, please, please, please stay home. Watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, do chores around the house, do DIY projects. Stay home. It's for your safety. It's for our physicians, our healthcare providers, and their safety. 2, stop hoarding stuff. Water bottles, diapers, toilet papers, and masks, Lysol, all this stuff. And 3rd, very quickly, if you have a lot of masks, other medical stuff that you have stockpiled upon for the last few weeks, months, please donate it to your local clinics, emergency rooms, hospital systems. They will eventually run out of it. Today, as of today, I think there were 111,000 cases in US. So this is the time that we all stand together and help each other out. Our physicians, our nurses, doctors, PA staff, registration staff, they're the frontline workers, right? We can stay home, but they have to go to work every day just to protect. So let's give them little courtesy. And if you have any extra stockpile that you did it because you thought, oh, we need a mask, please donate it. You and I, average person, don't need a mask all the time. We will be okay if you use some other supplement for it. But they are out there working 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day, 11 hours a day, 12 hours a day, even longer, just to protect us. So just be a little courteous. And at this time, if you have stockpiled, look around your neighbors, your community, your friends. Start handing out stuff to whoever is in need of that stuff. Don't just keep it for yourself. Trust us. Trust the system. There'll be enough out there. If we stop hoarding and we stop actually sharing, if you go to a grocery store, I've seen people picking up 5, 6 of one things before they put a limit on it. Anyways, enough of that message. I'm not going to bore you. Just little things I wanted to get out there. Let's get to the video that I was going to do today. So a few months ago, I bought the Pixel 4 phone because my Note 8 broke and my Note 8 was synced to my BMW and no problems. What I could do is in here, if you notice, there's your steering wheel controls right here, right? So you can do volume from here. If it's connected to Spotify or some music service, I can go up and down and then I can select if I wanted to skip a song, go back a song, and so forth. Since my Pixel, for some reason, I can connect, I can play music, no problem. I couldn't use my steering wheel controls. And I looked online, looked on Spotify that I was using. People said do this. So a few things I did. I removed Spotify from the phone. I disconnected the Bluetooth on the car, deleted the phone on my phone, deleted the car from it, reinstalled Spotify, did all that stuff, nothing happened. Then researching a little further, I found out that with Android 10, there's some of the new settings that came into effect. Let me see if I can get this going. Okay. So what you need to do is you can obviously unpair your phone from the car. You can delete your phone from here as well on the Bluetooth services, whether it's a Samsung phone or a Google Pixel phone and so forth. But what you had to do was actually change the Bluetooth settings. And what I'll do is I'll put a screen recording up so you can actually follow along what I'm talking about. So let me get going. Screen recording, start now. So if you go in your settings on your Android phone, Again, this is specifically for Android phone, not for iOS. I know iOS has some issues where your album art is not showing up with the latest versions. You can try a couple of things with the Bluetooth setting and iOS deleting the app, for example, Spotify or Pandora, what you're using, and then try again. But for Android specifically, what you need to do is go in here. Once you go in here, you want to go into System, Advanced. You'll notice that I have developer options available. And the reason I have it available is because I have gone in and enabled developer options. You can Google search it, or you can go into your About Phone and then click on your IMEI number. I think it's about 7 or 8 times. And basically, you enable the developer options. Once you enable developer options, what you want to do is go into developer options. And I did this, and this is actually working for me now. Sorry, went to the wrong place. Go into System. For Pixel, go into Advanced. So if you're using any sort of Android phone, you want to go into System, and then go into Settings, System, and then go into Developer Options. There are a lot of developer options. I have enabled all the developer options right now. As you can see on the top, it says on. So what you want to do is scroll down, or you can search for Bluetooth, but I'll do this the longer way, and I'll scroll down and look for Bluetooth setting in here. And you'll notice there's something called Bluetooth AVRCP version. By default with Android 10, what is it doing is putting it on AVRCP 1.4 default. What I ended up doing is I tried all the other ones, but I left it at 1.3, which was the older one. I did that. I selected the AVRCP, that's what my new setting is, essentially. And then what I ended up doing was came in the car, connected my Pixel phone again to the BMW. Once it was connected, let me see, make sure it's connected. Connect. Sorry. Yep, it's connected now. Perfect. I got my device connected, and I would play a song. For example, let's turn something on Spotify. Let's see your library. So shuffle music. I'm going to turn the volume down so you guys don't hear it. But basically, what was happening is, so I turned my heads-up display off so you guys can see. So basically, the songs would come up in here. And initially, what was happening is, you see how there's an arrow to go forward and arrow to go backward wasn't coming up. So I couldn't literally change music with the steering wheel controls when I go up or down, right? So when I changed the Bluetooth version, the AVRCP to 1.3, and then initially reconnected and resynced the Bluetooth profile to this, I didn't have to use the radio controls on here to go right back and forward. I can essentially use these controls. And now with that, what happened is this showed up, and I could actually go forward in a song. You can notice that it changes. I can go back in the song. I can still do that, and so forth. So that was a nice part, that actually when I was able to go in settings and do it, because when everybody said delete Spotify, it didn't work. And I've noticed a lot of BMW users out there have the same issue where their steering controls are not working, or the album art is not working. So what you want to do is try those settings, because somewhere with the new update of Android 10 and patches, that got updated from 1.3 to 1.4. Hope this helps you guys. If you have gotten to this point, you guys absolutely watched the message earlier that I wanted to convey. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you have come to the end of the video, you are my true viewers, subscribers, users out there who actually watch the content. Again, stay safe, and thank you so much.